Today we're making duct tape bracelets. As you see, spiky bracelets, 2 different colors. Nice band. When you wrap it, you get the spikes. Let's get started. First thing you need, your design tape. I'm using hot pink and pink tree. And my band is white. First thing you're going to want to do, measure your wrist, find out how many inches around it is. Mine is 8 inches, but the person I'm making it for is only 7 inches. So what you're going to do is take your tape and measure out 7 inches, cut it, make sure it is exactly 7 inches. If it's a little over, that's all right. You're going to cut out 3 pieces of the 7-inch tape or whatever your wrist measurement was. Take 2 of them, put the 2 sticky sides together. That's going to be your band. Make sure they go on perfectly because there is no do-overs unless you cut another piece. And mine, of course, is going to be funny. Alright, now, I got my 2 pieces stuck together perfectly. So now, this is my band. First thing you're going to want to do, take your first color, measure it out, and cut out at least 12. Right now, I'm just doing an example, so I'll only cut out 3 of each color. You're going to cut out 12 of each color of the 2-inch squares. So 12 of this size of each of your colors. I'm using pink and tree, so I cut out 12 of this and 12 of my tree. Once you get your 2-inch pieces cut out, you're going to have to fold it like you're doing the rose petals. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me show you real fast. You fold over the end like that. That's one side. And then you fold over the other side like that, so it should look like a little house with sticky on the bottom. That's what it looks like from the back. You take your wristband, you're going to stick the first petal on. So what you're going to do is take it, and it's going to go on this side. You're going to make sure it's perfectly measured on, and you stick it. Any remainder hanging over the band, you're going to fold it back. That's your first petal on. Take your second petal, do the same thing. It's always going to be the same color on the first row. Take that one. That's half folded. You do the little house again with sticky, and you fold it next to the second one. That's 2 petals on. Third pink petal. By now I'm sure you're an expert at making it. If not, this is also how you do the rose petals. If you need a more detailed version of how to do it, look at someone making the duct tape roses. Again, third little housey. You pin it up next to your second one, fold any excess back. That's your first row. Now you're going to get started on your second row, which is your second color. My pink tree. Do the same thing, little housey. And this time what you're going to do is, once you do stick it on, you're going to try to keep these lines parallel. So try to make that always happen. This second row, you want to make it meet up with your second pointy part on the first. So it looks like a straight line going down. Once you stick all those on and you get better at it, what you're going to get is, this is your end result. And once you add a little Velcro to that side and this, you do this. One thing I did forget, because I didn't do it on this bracelet yet, that little third 7-inch piece that you cut, that's going to be the part that you use to cover your spikes. So, when I mean cover your spikes, you see how the back here looks sloppy? You can see everything you taped on. You're going to just take that piece and lay it on top of the spikes in the back. Make sure it covers all of them, and just lay it down flattening across. And you'll get this. So you'll see the bumps of all the spikes, but now they're all trapped and you can't pull them out. You're going to attach a piece of Velcro to this. Attach a piece of Velcro to this, so you can stick it on and wear it. That's your bracelet. Hope you enjoyed, guys.